The Amscope simul-focal stereo microscope 90 increases is presented in a box whose approximate weight is 30 kilograms, comes directly from the United States. To import it to Spain, you have to pay about €185 in the customs and around €210 for the transport service. 1. 2.0x Bar-Lalance. This microscopy system includes a simul-focal trinocular stereo microscope, a fluorescent ring light, and a digital camera. It is a great instrument for industry inspections in semiconductor and electronics, gemology, and engraving applications. Here, we have the microscope fluorescent ring light plus adapter. In this image, we have it. We cut this box. This is the trinocular stereo zoom head. The adapter for the camera. One pair of super wide field, high eye point, WF10x20 eyepieces. A quite heavy box. This is the double arm boom stand with focus rack, very resistant. We observe the base of the microscope. It can weigh around 20 kilograms. The support of the base. And for the last one, the head support. We are going to carry out the assembly, and we present it step by step. The first step is to place the base and the metal support. Rugged solid, cast steel base. Then, we set the double arm. Double arm design for 3-degree freedom. We place the other support. Heavy-duty cast steel, stand finished, with stain-resistant enamel. In the next step, we place the head support. And finally, the trinocular head of the microscope. All metal, mechanical components. Excellent 5-year manufacturer warranty. Able to place microscope head toward to any direction. This is how it is set. Place the camera support. Barlow lens 2.0x. The fluorescent light of the microscope. It is time to attach the full HD camera optical trinocular design for high-quality photo, USB PC, and CCD video imaging. 45-degree inclined trinocular head with super wide field high eye point eyepieces. Versatile boom stand covering large working area. 8 inches, 200 millimeters, large working distance.